Hi, my name is Angie. Welcome to Abilities Unlimited Northwest, where we are passionate about helping people. Let me show you around what we do here. We provide mobility solutions to the elderly and the physically challenged through scooters, power wheelchairs. We also have walkers, canes, and bath safety, along with fall prevention and assistive handling equipment. And also we're a flagship dealer for Golden Technology lift chairs. And we also help with pain management. Dr. Wee was nice enough to join us today all the way from Arizona. Dr. Wee, can you please tell me what motivated you to help develop the Laser Touch One?
Sure, Angie. I heard that you're so passionate about helping people with mobility. And you know, when you have chronic pain, usually you don't have mobility either. So we are very passionate at Renewal Technology with the Laser Touch One to help people with pain. It all started many years ago when I was in medical school and I hurt myself and realized very quickly that I was one of those who could not tolerate medication. So I learned other things, and it has been a quest throughout my medical career. And in the mid-90s, I actually realized that most of us were treating symptoms instead of the source of pain, which is mostly in the soft tissue or connective tissue in our body. In other words, the muscles, the ligaments that tie the bones together and make the bones move. The problem is you can't see it on x-rays and MRI, so it often gets overlooked. But have you ever had a massage, Angie?
Yes.
And you know, when the therapist finds these knots that are very sore in your muscles,
Yes.
those are trigger points. And Dr. Janet Travell back in the 40s, you know, came up with that term because she studied this whole field of myofascial pain and found that many people had that, and yet there was no really cure for it. You know, she used to do injections to help control the pain, but we found that we've had now 40 years of modalities. One of them is cold laser, the other one is electrical stimulation, having been used. And what we did is combine the two. I started in the early 90s with the technology, but in 2007 here in Arizona, we actually formed a company and then put together this device, which is handheld and uses, as you can see, the red light, which is a cold laser, and the electrical stimulation, which is these two little electrodes controlled by a little wheel. And what this does, by the way, it's FDA cleared for both prescription and over the counter. We can sell it, like in your store, you can sell it directly to patients in pain. And what it does, it focuses on the source of the pain, in other words, the cells in the soft tissue that are not working. And by stimulating them, getting them to work, so now the body can repair and heal. And that's really how it works, you know. And we live in probably the most prosperous nation in the world, and yet NIH, the National Institute of Health, tells us that we have 116 million Americans in chronic pain. That's
Wow.
more than a third of the population. And so our goal, our passion, is to help millions of Americans find this device, and so it can help them relieve their pain, so they can improve the quality of life, improve their mobility, improve their life in general, so they can enjoy, in many cases, their retirement years.
That's
so I'm glad
wonderful.
that you're so passionate about it, and I wish you all the success that you can introduce it to all the seniors around here that have pain, and not just the seniors, but even the younger, active lifestyle people, because they can
Will do.
benefit from it too.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much. Thank you, Dr. Wee. And also, how we also like to help individuals, mainly the seniors, because a lot of seniors live in pain, as the sign shows. We also partner with the Bothell Chamber of Commerce, and coming up September 11th, we will be there to help seniors through the resources that we have, and you'll be able to find most of these products there September 11th, Bothell Senior Day. Thank you.